Now you may recall in a recent video I promised to show you some different side dishes and accompaniments. And in my last video I said I'd show you how to make this delicious potato dish that's proud to accompany any meat coming from the barbecue. Welcome to the Barbecue Walk of Flame. Pommes Gratin Dauphinois, roughly translated Dauphine potatoes. It's a classic dish named after the mountainous Dauphine area of France that borders with Switzerland. Butter and cream are the rich local ingredients that are combined with potatoes. When cooked, this dish tastes of cheese, even though in fact there is no cheese in the recipe. To make this dish I'm using a Weber drip tray, which has a multitude of uses, besides catching the drippings from my Q3200. First, grease the tin liberally with softened butter. They don't call me lightning for nothing, you know. There you go. Take 1 clove of garlic, cut it in half. Now rub the cut side of the clove all over the tin, releasing the lovely garlic juices into the butter. To slice my potato, I'm using my Magimix. You could use a mandolin, or if you have exceptional knife skills. I don't, and that's what a food processor is for. Place the potato into the feed tube. And voila! These potato slices are about 2 mm thick, and I'm placing a layer of them in the bottom of the tin. Now a good grind of salt and pepper. Continue to layer up the potato slices. Be generous with the salt and pepper between each layer. When the layers are near the top, this is when I add the double cream. Whoops! Almost went over the top then. The last stage of preparation, dot with a few small knobs of butter. Outside it's a glorious warm summer's day. My Weber Q is warming up nicely. I'm setting the grill up for indirect cooking with a foil shield and grid. Close the lid and let it continue to warm up. On go the potatoes. They'll need to cook for about an hour at 200 to 250 degrees C. Now if you're enjoying and finding this video useful, then sub the channel, click the button and the bell. And if you've got any questions, leave them in the comments section below. Okay, back to the cooking. They're doing nicely. The tops are starting to brown. By piercing with a fork, you can tell if they're done. I'm lighting the small burner to get the grill hot enough to cook my steak. This dish is an ideal accompaniment for meats that cook quickly. The potatoes will continue to cook on the warming rack while I cook my steaks. And this is when barbecue gloves come into their own. removing very hot stuff from the grill. On go my steaks. Ah, that sizzle as they hit the grill. After approximately 4 minutes, they're done. The potatoes are sizzling away. They're a nice golden brown and ready for the plate. And that's how to make Pommes Gratin Dauphinois. Well, that's all for now. So from me, the dude of the food, it's goodbye and thanks for watching.